Hey y'all, I guess you're probably thinking, wait a second, I thought he said no more uploads through the week. Well, I'm recording this on Saturday, and I'm doing a scheduled upload on Sunday, so that this comes out on Tuesday, and so that's why you're seeing this. My goal with the Lent, with not doing as much YouTube, is just, so much of my time was consumed through the partner program. Just trying to record, trying to edit, trying to upload. So the thought is no goofing around on the creator studio, no goofing around on all of that side of YouTube. So if I'm gonna put out more than one video a week, I gotta do it on Sunday. So that's why you're seeing a video today on Tuesday. Reality is it's Saturday. But today I wanted to do a video response to Bearded CB 82's 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And so let's kind of work that down from the top. And first off, he's giving a toolbox away. I've sort of stumbled upon Bearded CB through a number of other channels, but there's a big tool community, kind of tool reviews, toolbox tours, and just straight up. It's all about just evaluating tools, from Snap-on, Viking Tools, S&K, Harbor Freight, just you name it, these guys are reviewing them. So anyway, Bearded CB has a Snap-on toolbox. It's, I don't know, maybe yay big, that tall. And it's the Bubblegum is the name of the paint code, which, as you might guess, is pink. But still, it'd be pretty cool, because for me, I think what I would use it for is my rendering markers. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I did a video about this a long time ago where I used to do side business trying to render people's vehicles. But I got a lot of markers that I use that for, and this would be perfect for me to put those in. And yeah, the toolbox might be pink, but it's no more girly than what I already have my markers in, and so I think that'd be perfect. If not, I think I'm getting to the point where my drill bit collection is exceeding its current storage, so I think something like that would be great to have a dedicated just like bit drawer or bit box, if you will. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. Small channel shout out, that was part of the rules here, to the hashtag BCB1000 GAW. Wait, nope, the GAW is not part of it. I'm gonna give a shout out to my boy Stan from Open Air Garage. He is restoring an 80s Jeep Wagoneer, and the cool part about it is he's being a purist about it. And yeah, I think we all forget that in those days Jeeps were actually they were AMC products. AMC is so obsolete now, but that Jeep brand was kept alive through AMC. And so go check out Stan. The other part about it is like he, much like my channel, is sort of one of those where it's like it's to prove, well, if I can do it, so can you. And I think Stan does a great job of that, because he doesn't have the best, much like a lot of us, doesn't have the best resources or shops or places to work in. Hence the name Open Air Garage. I think he has a carport now, and that's slowly, things have gotten a little better. But I'm sure, much like anything, most years he's going to get back on that when the weather gets nicer here in a bit. So check out his channel and get ready to see the next evolution of what he's got going for that Wagoneer project. Lastly, I will wrap it up, and this is bending the rules a little bit, but I did get it approved by Bearded CB82. That I'm gonna do a mail call, and we're gonna get this sticker up on the toolbox. And that is Upper Peninsula DIY. So Upper Peninsula obviously means Michigan. We all kind of forget about it. There's the oven mitt, but then there's the other part that's up here somewhere. Upper Peninsula. So, which is kind of a cool geographical anomaly or bit or whatever you want to say, but we all know it's there. We all easily forget about it until somebody reminds us. Oh yeah. But he's in the middle of a wood stove kit turning. Well, so it's turning like an oil barrel, like a big oil drum, into a wood burning stove, and somebody makes a kit that gives you like the hardware for like a damper, flue, and then like the feet. So he's in the middle of that, and Upper Peninsula has been in some of the same circles I've been in a long time, and I don't know why it took me so long to actually really dive into his channel, go check it out. But anyway, he just seems like the type of guy that either I met in college or was the neighbor friend for, I don't know, something super familiar about him. But another thing is, lots of times when I send my stickers off, and other people, we write notes to each other. And this is sort of the why didn't I think of that, but he wrote his note on the back, and it's like, well, duh, like why force yourself to go get an extra? So I thought that, as simple as it sounds, I thought that was a slick little trick that I'm like, oh yeah, why? Because I'm constantly searching for notepads or something to throw in my little notes with them. So anyway, kind of a cool idea. We're gonna get his sticker up on the toolbox. But again, this was mostly meant to be that Bearded CB 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll leave a link in the description below, not only to the giveaway, we'll do it for the open air garage, and we'll do it for the Upper Peninsula DIY. So check out all of those, guys, and until next time, peace out.